Yeah, hi friends, welcome to the Learn with Techie YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the SDLC. So basically the most important part of the development or testing life cycle of the particular project. So SDLC. So what is basically SDLC? SDLC means a software development life cycle. So software development life cycle, it is a very important process. Like first you need to understand what is SDLC. So software development life cycle means like, so the collection of the requirement till the software or the product is going to hand over to the particular customer. What are all the different stages are going to happen, those are all mentioned under SDLC. So finally we have understood that what is SDLC. SDLC means software development life cycle. So why SDLC is required? Why SDLC is required? Because for anything which you are going to build, you should know how to build, what to build, when to build, why to build, and what is required to build. Those are all things are required. So those are all things we will get easily by following the SDLC. So let's understand what are all the different stages of the SDLC. So it is the very important for developers as well as the QA perspective for the interview. So what is SDLC? Software development lifecycle. Why SDLC is important? It will helpful to understand what is the requirement and what should be developed. Those are all things will be very clear by following the SDLC. So let's see what are the different stages of SDLC. So here SDLC can be divided into 7 different stages. First is requirement collection, feasibility study, design, coding, testing, installation and maintenance. So what is requirement collection? So what are all required for the development of the particular software? Those are all things which are going to get from the clients. So that is comes under the requirement collection. Who will do this? Business analyst or product analyst. So these will sit with the clients and they are very expertise in that particular domain. Suppose like banking or fintech, any domain if you take, those are all experts in those things. So they used to sit with the client and they used to gather the requirement. So that is the requirement collection. What is feasibility study? Second step is the feasibility study, means like, so this is project manager. Feasibility study means project manager, he is also expertise. So he will study the requirements what are all collected by them. So he will study like what should be the team size and what are all the how many developers are required, how many testers or QAs are required for this particular product to be designed. So these are all types of things are analyzed by the project manager. Those are all things will happen in the feasibility study. Then third step is design. Design means, so under the design, like what is the project module should be look like. Those are all comes under design. Design can be divided into 2 types: HLD, high level design, and low level design. HLD, high level design, means like higher level of functionalities or modules, those are all described, and low level design means complete in depth of the each functionality or modules are mentioned under this one. This is done by the architects or solution architect, senior, junior architects will be there. Those are also expertise in that particular domains and particular technologies, so they will take it over. So after this, coding nothing but a development. So development like coding part, those are all done by dev peoples like senior developer, junior developer, intermediate developer. They are going to done. Next step is testing. So testing always will be done by the QA people. So QA, so now we are focusing on the QA, right? So our part is here. So as a QA, he should test the application from the end perspective user. Okay, suppose user is using that particular application, how it should act, not analyzing himself as per the requirement, he should test the application from the perspective of end user. Okay, Next step is, sixth step is installation, or it is like a deployment. So deploying to the servers, like different servers are there, like for production. If you take production, so that will be done by the DevOps. Nowadays most of the things are done by developers as well. So our QA people who are expertise in the DevOps function, CI/CD pipelines are installed, and for that purpose that will come under different thing. So now, as of now, DevOps people you can consider, or Dev people who are expertise in that domain, they will take care of it. So last one is maintenance. Maintenance is nothing but already project is developed, and the contract between the client and the company, so that developers and QA will support for that particular software or product, so that in between any changes, minor changes or major changes will happen. So in between those things that will be done. Okay, so this is the maintenance. Like this, different stages of SDLC happen. It is very simple: requirement collection, feasibility study, design, coding, testing, installation, and maintenance. Important is very important in the perspective of interview. So if you want more videos on that testing part, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.